You has designed building concepts for Miami South Beach, New York and Tel Aviv, just to name a few. Now with the new architecture service, the design team could be with you from your blank canvas right through to the soft furnishing stage. So can you describe what a typical design brief might be for the U architecture team?
Clients come to us usually with expectations of something different than they would from a normal architectural design practice. So design briefs have always been very different. But in terms of the process, I think the element of collaboration, the drawing in of ideas, if the guy making the coffee comes up with a brilliant idea, that idea needs to go on the table and we need to work with it. We're seen slightly as, the diva, the Prada handbag end of the industry, and that might put people off, thinking that these guys are going to be difficult to work with, we're going to be expensive, we're going to take ages, blah blah. This simply isn't the case now. We are very, very open, flexible, collaborative.
So what comes first for you architecture then? Is it the functionality of the building, or is it the amazing dramatic concept design?
Function, it's important always. The building must work. There must never be a reason. We must never make just a decoration something that is fashionable or fun. I mean, we are very much about making sure that everything works properly. But again, as I said, I think sometimes there's the need also for the decoration, for the fun, for something that kind of gives a difference. And I think we're experts at that. So it's a balance. I mean, sometimes it might be that the exterior should be something that's very simple and quiet and that you can kind of go crazy with the interior. It might be the other way around, and sometimes it may be more about the marketing or the landscape. So it's a balance and there is no standard brief for us, or there hasn't been in my experience in 10 years.
So would you architecture just design on the residential side of things, or would you do the commercial projects like hotels, airports, things like that?
I think we're more known for our hotel and residential work, resort work. Great to take the new Kansai airport or the equivalent, but I think that probably won't happen immediately. But no, we're very open. There isn't something we couldn't do. We're lucky enough that we don't actually have to take every project that comes along. I mean, if there's a project that we think isn't suitable for us, I mean that in terms of the client too, because the clients might want us, but we had a client come to us wanting us to design a scooter. And we would have loved to have done it, but it's just not, we wouldn't have done him a justice. As I think we're not really into motorbike or scooter design, not yet anyway.